I'm taking out a bushing out of my control arm. I bought this kit on Amazon. It actually works really well. I paid like 95 bucks for it. And there's several different size rods, and you got all the different size cups. So you can do small or larger bushings. It's got cups under each one of these too. Anyway, I'm removing this bushing and I'm putting in my Powerflex one. So I'll just show you briefly what this looks like. Here's the bushing that's going in there. It really doesn't look like it would even go because of how big that bushing is. But this tool will get it in there. And I had to use S400 seal plate here because that's the other one didn't look like it'll work out too well, so that's why I put that in there. So I'll push it on in there. Here's the finished result. It did take some chunks out of it right there. That's like nearly impossible to avoid it on this one. This thing is so ridiculously tight trying to go in there. It is possible to use the press, but you're going to have to make some tools to do that. I guess I would have been better off if I did it with the press and made the tools so I wouldn't have that chunk missing now.